Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for Amazon jobs online in the UK. So first of all, you have to make a Google search of Amazon jobs. On the top search result, select that, Amazon jobs, scroll down just a bit and select locations or see all locations. Again, you have to scroll down just a bit, and in the Europe section you have to select the drop down button here. You'll be able to see in the Northern Europe section all the jobs that are available in England. For instance, if you live in London, you can select London, England, or Manchester. Now it will tell me about all the open jobs on the Amazon. On the left panel, I can see a lot of different filters, like I can select city, full-time, internship, or categories, career area, team, role type. And on the right side, I will be able to see, or you can also search for a specific job. For instance, if you want to search for marketing, if you're a marketing manager. So as you can see, there's one job open, which is marketing project manager, which is for 12 months. If I click here, I can apply here, and then it will ask for my qualification, my education background, each and everything, my address, and then I'll be able to apply to this job. And that's simply how you can apply for Amazon jobs online in the UK. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.